Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.
Hello and welcome to Coxie's Picks. I'm just going to get a pointer. Right, okay, so we're going to go for a slightly different tack. We've got 750, 750, 750, 750, 700, ASP 400, ASP 100, 100, 100, and there's a 400 tucked in there and another 100. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cuffs. And we're going to try dual technique because there's nothing in the rules about how many tools you use. So we'll bear that in mind. Okie dokie. So, Echo. Start a 1 minute timer.
1 minute. Starting now.
Okay. 1, 2. Okay, getting there. Well, getting the old swine. Okay, that's the last tier list. Ditch the tool, change the tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, this line 6. Okay, so 1, 2, get in the alt, 3, 4, 5, 11. Boom. Happy days.